Hello people, I wanted to be very quick because I wanted to show you one utility which will allow you to put on your desktop Task Manager because in Windows 11 unfortunately you have to hit on your keyboard Ctrl Alt and Delete button to be able to enter Task Manager. Unfortunately, you cannot click my right mouse button, but I will show you utility which will allow you to add Windows utilities on your desktop. Okay, I will have to I will have to show you on the right side of the window. We also got virtual new desktop. I don't know what this is to do with. I don't use virtual desktop, but this is quite useful. I think this is to do with multitasking, I believe, but I'm not sure in 100%. As you can see, I got Windows utilities on my desktop, including disk cleanup and personalize, because otherwise you would have to use a menu which is a little bit too slow. I will show you. There is tool which will be compatible with Windows 11, Windows 10 Manager, but I don't use the latest version because the latest version was really messed up, and that I didn't like the newest version. But I will show you this. MISC Utilities. Then you go to Windows Utilities. There should be Task Manager. You can add create to desktop. I think you can have more than one file on your desktop. We also have other utilities which you will need to probably restart, full shutdown. This is quite interesting. You can check for yourself. I disabled the hybrid shutdown in Windows because this was causing problems of my Windows. It was shutting down too long. This means that it will not completely shut down your PC. I use a full shutdown instead. Okay, what we got else? You can add to your desktop Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player. On-screen keyboard is very useful utility. And some other utilities, network utilities, disk utilities. It's up to you what you want to add to your desktop. I think that is important, that. I use this utility quite often because this allows me to identify problem. For example, when I want to eject my hard drive, this utility tells me what process I can shut in system. I have to wait a couple of seconds because I'm not using SSD. I use a Western Digital black hard drive, which is 2 years old. I still got Velociraptor, so I have to shut down this process. I shouldn't show you because this video tutorial wasn't about how to fix ejecting problems. But I showed you just in case. You also have system configuration you can add it to your desktop because this utility is quite important. What we got? Windows registry. I added to my desktop. I hope you like my video tutorial. Oh, what is this? Uh, Maybe tomorrow I will be publishing tutorial about uh, this application because this this utility turns your funds of your graphics card so you can turn your fans to maximum speed, but I will not talk today about it. Maybe tomorrow. I hope you like my video tutorial.